Assalamualaikum. I'm Shufta Ashik from Dean Cambridge School System. It's my math lecture. I have a math book of class prep RKG2. Now today we are going to learn page number 9. Page number 9. It's also a worksheet. Count by tens. Count by tens. Write the missing numbers. Count by tens means that we add the numbers 10 by 10. We add the number by 10. So look at this, it's a number line. On this number line there are different numbers are shown. Numbers start from 0 and end to 100. So we look at this number 0 and after this number there is a 10. It means that we count numbers 10 and after 10 there is a 20. It means that we count the numbers by tens. We count the numbers by 10. So look at the students. Here 0 to 10. It means that there are 9 numbers between 0 to 10. 0. After 0 there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It means it's count by 10. And 10 to 20 there is also 9 number. 10 after 10 there is a 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. And 20 after 20 there is a 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. And 30 and next number is the 40 and we count 10 digits then move to the 40. Similarly in the previous that I show with the lines 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. On these lines numbers are shown 10 by 10. It means that we add numbers by 10. So we move to the next. Here we see a sequence of numbers, but there are some numbers are missing. Some numbers are missing and we write the missing numbers. So the first number is a 10, 20 and the next number is a missing and after here 40. It means that the missing number is a 30. It means that the missing number is a 30 because we count the numbers by 10. We count the numbers by 10 and number line shows the number count by tens. So in this here write 10, 20 and after 30 is a missing that I write. After that 40 and 40 there is also missing number I write 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 70. After 70 there is 80, 90, 100. So it's a complete 10 to 100. 10 to 100. We move to a next aunt. Look at this students. It's a aunt. It's a aunt. So first number is a 10 and after here I write 20 because 20 is missing. 30, 40 here 50 is missing. After 50 here 60 is missing. 60, 70, 80 and here 90 and 100. So it's complete from 10 to 100. From 10 to 100. So we move to the next aunt and we start the first number is missing. So here the first number is a 10 because it start from 10 and end to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So it's complete from 10 to 100. Next is a 10, 20 and here number is missing. Here I write 30, 40, 50, 60 and after 60 there is a 70, 80, 90 and 100. So it's complete from 10 to 100 with a sequence. Next one is a 10. After 10 I write 20. After 20 30. After 30 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So it's complete from 10 to 100. So students, today we learn how to count by tens and complete the missing numbers. I request you parents, please make such type of the worksheet for your child practice. I will meet you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.